What is going on, traders? I hope everyone is enjoying their weekend. Shout out to all the Canadians. Happy Thanksgiving. Hope you guys enjoy your long weekend. On Friday, we ended up taking 3 trades. I'm going to show you exactly what trades we went through, as well as the upcoming game plan for the rest of the week. So, as stated in the previous video, guys, I said all eyes should be on 422.50, this level right here. So, first thing in the morning, trade number 1. I don't play the first 5 minutes. We let this sell-off happen. I ended up alerting calls around 421.20s, guys. We bought calls right here. We brought 421 calls in the money to 422. This was a banger of a play. And then we hopped right back in, guys, at 422 puts. We brought those 422 puts right back in the money to 421. And those went deep in the money, ended up breaking 421 in the 420s. So that was a banger of a play. The third play that I did not hit, but it was alerted in the Discord by the two of the moderators in the group, guys, Zen and Ryan. These two guys hit calls literally on this candle. These calls ended up going well over 10x. It was an absolute crazy of a day, guys. And I just want to show you one thing quick. So that level that I told you guys, 422.50, okay? Watch. As soon as we make this support, it just started running. All eyes were on this. Everyone was bearish. We had bearish news coming out. I was telling the Discord, I have a feeling they're going to end up ripping this. And as soon as our key level became support, guys, on the 5 minute, look what it did. It literally ran almost $8, almost $9 from our key level. And that was what I wanted to hit, guys, but it ended up taking too long. We made some nice trades and I just left for the day, but a lot of people were buying calls down here, as well as people in my Discord. But I told everyone, guys, there's no reason for calls right now. Our key level is currently rejecting. I don't like calls here. I want calls 422.50 support. As soon as we broke over 422.50, we came back, retested it, made it support, and ended up running. I know a lot of people that ended up going green to red, guys. And honestly, if I would have continued trading for the day, I probably would have gave back most of my gains, because every single key level ended up just turning into a support, and it just kept ripping higher and higher and higher. I ended up taking one more trade at, where did I take it? 428.45. I came back to the computer. I'm like, oh, we're at our key level. This was looking weak. We ended up hitting puts right here. I told everyone, if it ends up breaking this high, we have to stop out immediately. I ended up only losing 12 cents or 11 cents on my contracts. It wasn't that much at all. And look what it ended up doing. It ended up ripping right past that level. The whole point of sniping, guys, is we take profits quick and we take losses just as quick. So we're not holding because this is ripped, or we're like, oh, it's going to eventually come back down. No. We wait for the confirmation to re-enter, and there was no more confirmation to enter puts. Our key level became a support. As soon as it came to support right here, it ripped all the way to 431. So my upcoming game plan for the rest of the week, I am watching 432.23. This is a gap that we have on SPY that has not filled. Add this level to your chart. I'm going to be looking for puts here, okay? I'm going to be waiting for 432.23 and then all the key levels beneath. Okay, so in case we don't hit that, we gap down tomorrow. I'm going to be watching 430. All eyes on 430. I'm going to wait for rejection, and I'm going to hit puts, as well as 428.45, 426.96. I'll probably hit calls here for a quick snipe. As soon as this level becomes a resistance, we're just going to end up hitting puts again. As I told you guys, I didn't think we were finished with the 430s. Everyone was bearish down here. All retail was bearish down here. We don't follow retail because they are right when they should be shorting the market, but the market makers will not let it happen. They're not going to let everyone bank on puts. They're going to rip it in the opposite direction. They're going to end up trapping all the bulls, trapping all the bears. And then, in my opinion, bears are going to end up winning. So I just would like to show you guys something quick that I came across. Let me get these lines off. So May 5th, 2022. Where is this? May 5th, 2022. So the daily candle that we had ended up looking just like this, guys. It was honestly the same setup. So we gap down, we ended up ripping through the 9 EMA, the 13 EMA, and then we had resistance at the 21 EMA. If you go to our our daily candle, the exact same thing happened. And then what also happened the next day was a massive sell-off, okay? A very, very big sell-off. And previous close was not retested. I'm going to be watching this because history usually repeats itself, guys. And this setup, I identified it, and there is a very good possibility that this could happen. I don't want to get too bullish. The daily candle is bullish. We don't want to be just buying puts because we've ripped so much. We need the confirmation. But so far, just keep an eye on this pattern, okay? May 4th, 2022, we had the same day, pretty much what we just had right now. And look at the next day, guys. It ended up selling off. So keep an eye on that. Now I am starting to get pretty bearish on SPY as soon as we fill that gap. But then again, guys, we're not just buying puts for the hell of it. We wait for the confirmation. So when it comes to the Discord, guys, we ended up having 70 people green, 9 people red. A lot of people flipped red after I left because they were buying the key levels and it just wasn't working out. And that's understandable because I would have went green to red as well or gave back a lot of my gains if I ended up shorting all those key levels. But that's why I make my money for the day, guys, and I leave. The profits, a lot of people killed it. Greg01 made just over, he was saying just over 10,000 this week. Crazy. Another person made 20% on the day. Uncle DF again with over $500 on the day. So all in all, guys, it was a great week. It was a great Friday. If you ended up flipping red on Friday, don't worry about it. We'll get it back tomorrow. Not that big of a deal. I would just like to let everyone know and remind you guys, Monday to Friday, 9 a.m., I am going to be live streaming pre-market on the YouTube channel. So I will be there at 9 a.m. Eastern time, 30 minutes before market open, Monday to Friday. If you would like to be part of the Discord, Sniper Trading, the link is in the bio. Thank you guys for all your support. I honestly appreciate it. If you have any questions, guys, just write them in the comments and I will answer them. Everyone take care. Enjoy your weekend. And let's get green. Let's make some money next week. Take care, guys.